You cannot heal your kidney if you consume these 10 drinks. Are you unknowingly sabotaging your kidney health with the drinks you consume every day? Our kidneys are vital organs that work tirelessly to filter waste and toxins from our blood, regulate fluid balance, and produce essential hormones. However, the drinks we consume can either support or harm these crucial functions. Kidney issues like chronic kidney disease, kidney stones, and acute kidney injury are becoming increasingly common, often due to dietary choices. In today's video, we're diving into the top 10 drinks you should avoid if you want to protect your kidneys and support your overall health. Some of these drinks might surprise you as they are common in many people's daily routines. Stick around till the end to discover the number 1 drink you must steer clear of for healthy kidneys. Let's get started. 10 diet sodas. While diet sodas are often marketed as a healthier alternative to regular sodas, they are far from being beneficial, especially for your kidneys. These drinks are loaded with artificial sweeteners like aspartame, saccharin, and sucralose. Although they contain fewer or no calories, these sweeteners can be harmful to your kidneys over time. Studies have shown that regular consumption of diet sodas can lead to a decline in kidney function. Additionally, the acidic nature of these drinks can contribute to the formation of kidney stones. If you're looking for a refreshing alternative, try flavored water with natural ingredients like lemon or cucumber slices. 9. Alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption can wreak havoc on your kidneys. When you drink alcohol, your body prioritizes breaking down the alcohol over other metabolic processes. This diversion can lead to dehydration, which is particularly harmful to your kidneys as they need adequate fluids to function properly. Chronic alcohol use can also cause high blood pressure and liver disease, which further complicates kidney health. Alcohol affects the kidney's ability to filter blood and maintain fluid, electrolyte, and acid-base balance. If you enjoy an occasional drink, it's essential to do so in moderation and ensure you're staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water. 8. Coffee. For many, coffee is the go-to morning beverage, but it's important to be mindful of your intake. While moderate coffee consumption can have some health benefits, excessive intake can be problematic for your kidneys. Coffee is a natural diuretic, which means it increases urine production. This can lead to dehydration if not balanced with adequate water intake. Dehydration can strain your kidneys and reduce their ability to function effectively. Moreover, the caffeine in coffee can lead to increased blood pressure, another risk factor for kidney disease. To enjoy your coffee without harming your kidneys, limit your intake to 1 or 2 cups a day, and make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. 7. Energy drinks. Energy drinks have become increasingly popular, especially among young adults and those seeking a quick boost of energy. However, these beverages can be quite harmful to your kidneys. Energy drinks are packed with high levels of caffeine, sugar, and other stimulants that can have detrimental effects on your kidney health. The excessive caffeine content can cause spikes in blood pressure and heart rate, putting extra stress on your kidneys. Additionally, the high sugar content in energy drinks can lead to insulin resistance and diabetes, both of which are significant risk factors for kidney disease. Moreover, frequent consumption of energy drinks can lead to dehydration, as they often act as diuretics, increasing urine output and reducing the fluid available for proper kidney function. For a healthier energy boost, consider natural alternatives like a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, adequate sleep, and regular physical activity. 6. Sports drinks. Sports drinks are often marketed as essential for hydration and electrolyte balance, especially after intense physical activity. However, for the average person, these drinks can do more harm than good. Most sports drinks contain high amounts of sugar and sodium, which can be detrimental to kidney health. The excessive sugar content can contribute to weight gain and increase the risk of developing diabetes, a leading cause of kidney disease. Similarly, the high sodium content can lead to high blood pressure, further straining the kidneys. While these drinks may be beneficial for professional athletes or individuals engaging in prolonged, intense exercise, they are generally unnecessary for casual exercisers. Instead, opt for plain water to stay hydrated, or if you need to replenish electrolytes, consider natural sources like coconut water or a homemade electrolyte drink with minimal sugar. 5. Artificially sweetened beverages. Drinks containing artificial sweeteners like aspartame, saccharin, and sucralose are often marketed as healthier alternatives to sugary drinks, but they come with their own set of risks. Although they are low in calories, these artificial sweeteners can still have negative impacts on your kidneys. Research suggests that consuming artificially sweetened beverages regularly can cause oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys, potentially leading to decreased kidney function over time. Additionally, these sweeteners may disrupt the body's metabolic processes and contribute to the development of metabolic syndrome, a cluster of conditions that increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. To protect your kidneys, it's best to avoid drinks with artificial sweeteners and opt for natural alternatives like herbal teas, infused water with fresh fruits, or beverages sweetened with natural sweeteners such as honey or stevia. 4. Flavored water. Flavored waters might seem like a healthy choice, especially when compared to sugary sodas or juices. However, many commercially available flavored waters are packed with added sugars and artificial ingredients that can be harmful to your kidneys. The sugars and sweeteners used to enhance the flavor can lead to spikes in blood sugar levels, increasing the risk of diabetes, which is a leading cause of kidney disease. Additionally, some flavored waters contain artificial colors and preservatives that can put extra strain on your kidneys as they work to filter out these substances. To stay hydrated and support your kidney health, opt for plain water or make your own flavored water at home by adding slices of fresh fruits like lemon, cucumber, or berries. This way, you get the refreshing taste without the harmful additives. 3. Fruit juices. Fruit juices are often perceived as a healthy choice because they come from natural sources. However, most commercially available fruit juices are loaded with added sugars and lack the fiber found in whole fruits. This high sugar content can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, leading to insulin resistance, and increasing the risk of diabetes, which can severely impact kidney health. Moreover, without the fiber, you miss out on the benefits that help regulate blood sugar and promote digestive health. Excessive consumption of fruit juices can also lead to weight gain, another risk factor for kidney disease. If you enjoy fruit juices, the best option is to make them at home without adding extra sugar and to consume them in moderation. Better yet, opt for eating whole fruits to get the full spectrum of nutrients and fiber. 2. Soda. Regular soda is one of the most well-known culprits when it comes to kidney damage, and for good reason. These sugary beverages are loaded with high fructose corn syrup and artificial ingredients that can wreak havoc on your body. The high sugar content in soda can lead to obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure, all of which are major risk factors for kidney disease. Additionally, the phosphoric acid used in many sodas to enhance flavor and shelf life can cause an imbalance in the body's mineral levels, leading to kidney stones and other kidney-related issues. The caffeine content in many sodas can also act as a diuretic, leading to dehydration and further stressing the kidneys. For a healthier lifestyle, it's best to eliminate soda from your diet altogether and opt for healthier alternatives like water, herbal teas, or sparkling water with a splash of natural fruit juice. 1. Sweetened iced tea. Sweetened iced tea may come as a surprise as the #1 drink to avoid for kidney health, but it tops the list for several reasons. This popular beverage often contains high levels of oxalates, which can contribute to the formation of kidney stones, a painful condition that can severely impair kidney function. Additionally, the added sugars in sweetened iced tea can lead to obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure, all of which are detrimental to kidney health. The combination of oxalates and sugars makes sweetened iced tea a double threat to your kidneys. If you love tea, it's best to opt for unsweetened varieties or herbal teas, which can be just as refreshing without the harmful effects. You can also brew your own tea at home and add a splash of lemon or a natural sweetener like honey or stevia for a healthier alternative. These are the top 10 drinks you should avoid to keep your kidneys healthy and functioning properly. It's crucial to remember that what you drink plays a significant role in maintaining your overall health, especially when it comes to supporting your kidneys. By making mindful choices and steering clear of these harmful beverages, you can help ensure your kidneys remain in peak condition. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our updates. We love hearing from you, so leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover. Until next time, take care of your kidneys, stay hydrated, and stay healthy.